Every Zambian business has a story. At Mukwood Digital, we help you tell that story online, beautifully, and with purpose. From powerful websites to smart automation, we build the digital tools that help your business grow. In today's world, it's not enough to just exist. Your business needs to be seen, trusted, and remembered. That's where we come in. We design websites and digital systems that turn browsers into buyers, visitors into leads, and ideas into income. Let's start with web design. We build websites that work like your online sales engine. Fast, mobile-friendly, SEO-ready, and made to convert. Every site is created to reflect your brand and deliver measurable results. Running a shop? Our e-commerce websites make it easy to sell online. With mobile money payments, secure checkout, and product management tools, your store is open 24/7. Next, digital marketing. We help you attract new customers through SEO, social media, and campaigns designed to drive traffic and build loyal followers. Your brand deserves to stand out. From logos to flyers, social media kits and visuals, our graphic design and branding services give your business a professional edge. Your brand deserves to stand out. From logos to flyers, social media kits and visuals, our graphic design and branding services give your business a professional edge. We're also helping Zambian businesses work smarter with AI and automation. From chatbots to smart dashboards and automated marketing tools. Save time, cut costs, and focus on what really matters: your growth. Staying compliant online is important too. Our legal-based compliance services help you protect your business with privacy policies, terms, contracts, and governance tools tailored for Zambian regulations. Planning an event? We create custom RSVP websites and invitation systems that make guest management effortless, all integrated with WhatsApp and email. Got something to sell online? We help you turn your knowledge into income with digital product websites for ebooks, courses, and templates, all automated and ready to earn. Why choose Mukwood Digital? Because we understand your market and your ambitions. We offer affordable packages, free hosting, fast mobile-first design, and a full toolkit of growth-ready solutions, all backed by friendly local support. Your next digital success story starts here. Let's build something powerful together. Visit www.mukwooddigital.com or message us on WhatsApp +2607643777700 to start your project today. Let's talk on WhatsApp. Start your project today. Mukwood Digital. Design, automation, growth.